Hello, Jay Leshark here for your Phuket weather update live. Well, I'm live in my garden with two crazy animals. Anyway, you will know what the weather's doing for the last week of September and first week of October. Then I'm going to tell you. And as you can see from my garden, you probably can't see, but see if this works. I'll try it. You see the raindrops falling down? That's right. It rained this morning, but it's not raining now. But let's see if it's going to rain for the rest of the week. But before we do that, let's go check out my plant box, because I know you want an update on what's happening with Farmer Shark. I know. Let's go see. All right, Farmer Shark here. Now look in here, right? Let's just get rid of this leaf, look. Well, that's me bok choy down there. Not doing that well. My sunflower is starting. I think it's going to get a flower soon, but look at this. There's my cucumber here, look, they're growing, look. The little flowers are coming, which means I've got to pollinate them. I might have to do some sexy time with the flowers. What did he say? And then we might get some cucumbers, and then we can make some pickles, that's right. Look at that, looking good, aren't they? That's right. Very happy about that. There's me tomato, not doing too well. My corn hasn't seemed to grow since a cat ate it. But that's all right. Right, there we go. Let's go see what the weather's doing this week. Woo woo! Yeah, see? Isn't my garden looking nice? Gonna get some cucumbers soon. Now, you might hear something in the background of two naughty four-legged furballs playing. Unfortunately, I haven't... There you go. I haven't trained them that much to be shushing when I'm doing the weather. Anyway, right, I wanted to show you this. So this is our windy app. Now this is the app that we use. Shush doggies. Now on here, you can see lots of different colors, obviously. Now purple means no wind. Blue is not so much wind. Green is a little bit of wind. Yellow is lots of wind. And then when you get this kind of dark red, dark purple craziness, that's a lot of wind. In fact, it's like this. That's right. It's far windy, but this is the typhoon that is currently going over Vietnam. So this is Sunday morning. Shush dogs. So this is Sunday morning, and it's called Bualoi, I think, or is that right? Or Bualoi, Typhoon Bualoi, I think. Anyway, that's Typhoon Bualoi, and as you see, Vietnam is here, but Phuket is down here. But you can see how the wind travels around this area. It's interesting, isn't it? Getting very technical. But I want to show you this just so you can see that Vietnam's up here. This is where the typhoon's coming, and we do get the effects of the typhoon down in Phuket, just we get the tail end, the way the wind comes along. Okay, good day. Right, but let's look at Phuket weather for today. As you can see, oh look, just behind the thermos fast. You can get these at our website, you know. That's right, just go to www.Phuket. What have I got? I was going to go old radio thing then. www.5starmarinephuket.com. Click on the old merch tab and you can go and purchase one of these. Or that one. If you like white or you like black, doesn't matter. We cover everybody.
Ooh. Say ooh.
Right, anyway, so this here is Phuket. This is Phi Phi down here and Phang Nga Bay here. This is Sunday. As we speak, this is what it's looking like. So it's quite windy on the west coast. As you saw from the garden, there was a little bit of sunshine falling from the sky this morning, which is doing good for me old cucumbers. But let's look at Monday. So Monday, Sunday. Let's go Sunday afternoon. Not this match because this doesn't come out till Sunday afternoon. But as you can see, the wind is picking up for today. Let's look at Monday the 29th. So this is the last week of September. It's interesting, isn't it? Last week of September. This is Monday. As you can see, more wind coming in. Some big wind coming in from the west coast here. Phi Phi down here is going to be very, very bumpy going down to Phi Phi, that's for sure, on Monday morning. And Monday afternoon, shush dogs. Monday afternoon, it just settled down a little bit. Let's look at Tuesday the 30th. Tuesday the 30th doesn't look too bad. Some nice blue in Phi Phi. God, the dogs are going nuts. Some blue up in Phang Nga Bay. So Monday morning looks all right. Tuesday morning. I'm quite tired today. Tuesday morning looks like a good day to go out. Tuesday afternoon looks great. So there you go, Tuesday looks a fantastic day to go out if you want to go out in the water. And then we're into October. Halloween month, everyone. Spooky. So Halloween month, here we go. 1st of October. Doesn't look too bad, actually. Doesn't look too bad at all. On Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday afternoon looks good. So Tuesday and Wednesday both look good days to go out. Let's look at Thursday the 2nd. not too bad either. Thursday the 2nd looks quite good. Thursday afternoon, wowzers. Didn't expect this, that's for sure. Thursday afternoon looks lovely. Friday the 3rd looks nice too. Nice and purple and blue all over PP here and Phang Nga Bay here. Looking good. Friday afternoon looks good too. I didn't expect this at all. Saturday looks amazing. Hold on. Saturday's gone, it's gone a bit crazy. Let me just click that one off. What's going on here? Saturday the 4th of October, for some reason, I don't think I've paid my premium price because I've got their logo over it, which means it might not be showing the right weather. Oh dear. Let's go back to Friday. Yeah, I think I need to go and pay my bill to Windy. I haven't updated the Premiere version. Oopsie, that was a bit of a mistake today. Anyway, there you go. So the weather looks really nice on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Can't really tell you on, oh no, Saturday morning. No, the logo's come up again. Oopsie. So I'm not sure about Saturday and Sunday next week. Maybe I'll do an update throughout the week. But let's go to our acute weather now. Now this is quite hard to see. This is your bog standard weather forecast that you'll see all the time when you just search what's the weather doing in Phuket. So 30 degrees, 28, 31. It's all around the same kind of temperatures as we move into October. It starts to get a little bit hotter on Friday and Saturday. Not that we know what the weather's going to do on Saturday and Sunday because I haven't paid the bill. But it all looks about the same, 30 to 33. It's really humid at the moment. And because it's September and we are getting to the last month of low season, the last month of low season, which is October, the weather's quite changeable. Oh, Maya Bay opens on the 1st of October. That's good news, isn't it? I forgot to mention that. So if you want to go down to Maya Bay, then let's look at the 1st. Is it a good day to go down? Yes, you can go down to Maya Bay on the 1st. It looks really nice. So if you do want to go to the opening of Maya Bay, you can. I should go to that, shouldn't I, really? What am I doing on the 1st? It's a Wednesday. I might have to do something. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll go to Maya Bay at some time this week. Go and check it out. See how it's looking now after their 2-month break. Right, so anyway, so back to the weather. Yeah, there's a touch of rain. Now, sometimes, as you saw this morning, you get a little shower in the morning, maybe a shower in the afternoon, maybe a shower in the evening. It's not raining all day. Sometimes a little bit overcast, sometimes a little bit hot. This is the time everyone's getting sick at the moment just because the humidity is really high, the temperature's hot, then it's rainy, then it's humidity, then it's temperature's hot, and it's do you know what I mean? So everyone's getting colds. And in fact, that's where Sean is at the moment. He's not feeling too well. Got a little bit of snivels, bless him. I think I might have gave it to him after my man flu from last week. Anyway, it does look all right this week. Doesn't look too bad at all. Not too bad. A couple of showers throughout the week, but nothing too mental. Let's look at our TMD radar, which is absolutely pointless, but this is live right now on Sunday morning as I record this. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of rain in the area. We just probably got hit by this one up here this morning. But this is going through. This is pointless for you because this is live right now. So by the time you watch this, this will be either a day old or maybe 2 days old, depending on when you watch it. Right, there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather forecast for the last week of September. And obviously the start of the first week of October. Let's just have a look at this. It's quite cool looking at this. What we could do is we could track the whole thing. Look, this is India here. This is India. Let's go back in again. This is quite boring unless you're a geek like me that likes to look at stuff like this, looking at the colours. Right, so let's go here where Vietnam is. So let's go back to where the big typhoon was. So that's a typhoon on Sunday. Typhoon on Monday, it's starting to move across comes into the top of Thailand. So Chiang Rai, Chiang Mai, Bangkok might be a bit wet. Phuket obviously won't be because it's not nowhere near Phuket. And then by Monday afternoon, as you can see, the tropical storm has kind of started to disperse, which generally happens as it hits the land. Right, there you go. I've given you an update for Phuket for the last week of September, first week of October, and an update for Typhoon Bualoi. Bualoi. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, if you've got any questions about the weather, typhoons, how to say typhoon names, then just comment below and I'll answer. Apart from that, it's going to be a fantastic week. Make sure you head out. Maya Bay's opening, and that's a good thing. Oh, do you want to see the puppy? Okay.
1 hour later.
Hi everyone. Meet Trouble. This is our new puppy. This is Trouble. Oh, hello, Mischief's popped up. Mischief gets a little bit jealous sometimes. Apparently my dog trainer says she doesn't get jealous. Dogs don't feel jealousy. Anyway, this is Trouble. We now have Trouble and Mischief. Trouble is my new puppy. He's only 12 weeks old and he's lovely. All right, there you go. That should get some likes, shouldn't it? Just having a puppy on on the screen. Like for the puppy, comment and all that sort of stuff. Thanks, Trouble. Want to get down? Yes, okay. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Trouble, trouble, there's trouble in the house. Trouble in the house. Sleep time, trouble. Hey. The beds. Trying to do the weather.